Thank you so much for joining us today at Belle Femme. We're so excited to give you this beautiful video series, and we are just inspired to give back to our guests and showcase what we do in the salon. So this week we're actually talking about beauty. Emmy, what do you think?
So today we have something very exciting in store for you. We're going to share a little bit about two of our favorite Ree David salon products, as well as give you a little tutorial on how you can achieve in-salon beauty at home.
So at Belle Femme, we carry the Ree David Hair Salon. One of my favorite products is the orchid oil treatment. What I love about it, it is exquisite because it's orchid oil and coconut oil. It's lightweight, it's beautiful in the hair. And as you can see, it goes on very nicely. It's got this beautiful shine to it and it's really lightweight. What we do is it's beautiful because it's got this mirror-like finish to it. It goes into the cuticle, the hair shaft, and it seals it and protects it. It's wonderful because it acts as just a protection against the thermal damage that a lot of times our styling tools can be really hard on the hair. So as you can see, what we'd like to do is just with our guests, share with them that it's a wonderful oil to go in the hair wet as well as dry. So when you apply it, you just take a little drop that I just showed you with, take your heating tool, and it just creates this beautiful shine and beautiful finish to it. So what I love about this orchid oil treatment is that you can see the finished look in her hair on this side. It's sleek, it's beautiful as it goes right into the hair shaft, and the difference. So what's amazing about this line, it really does defrizz, it really does detangle. It has this beautiful finished quality look to her.
So to prepare Rena's hair today, I'm going to be using the Ree David Cedarwood Leave-In Conditioner. This is great for all hair types, coarse and thick hair or soft and fine hair. It's really nice. It won't weigh the hair down and it won't make the hair look oily. You can use as much as you want. So not only is it wonderful for detangling the hair strands, but it also is great for protecting your hair against heat tools as well as environmental damage such as sun or pollutants in the air or even salt water and pool water. It also uses an ingredient called Dynagen, which helps to rebuild, restore, and rehydrate the hair strand. So your hair will be softer and stronger after you finish styling than it was before. So for today, I'm going to show you how to create a 1920s vintage hair wave. So to start, the trick here is you're curling all of your hair in one direction. So if you're taking the hair on the left side of your head and curling that back, you're going to go through your whole head so that the curls on the right side are coming forward. So to create the curl, you can take about a 2-inch section of hair, take a wand. You can also use a curling iron or even a flat iron if you know how to make curls with your flat iron. And you're just going to wrap the hair, if you're using a wand, wrapping the hair around the wand, holding it for a couple of moments to let that curl form, and then releasing it, letting that cool, not pulling your hands through. We're gonna let the curls set and cool down, and just continue to move through your hair, again, letting the curls go in the same direction. We're not adding different movement or texture here. So just wrapping the hair around your wand, letting those curls form. And then after you've gone through your whole head, they're separated. You want to take either a wide tooth comb or even a paddle brush and just gently begin to comb the curls out, letting them all form together, creating sort of a wave rather than separate curls. It's going to come all smooth together, brushing it back, not being afraid to really work the curls, softening everything and creating a nice, even curtain of curls within the hair. And you can use your comb to really separate and form each wave within the hair. You can finish this with a working spray or a max hold spray, depending on your hair type and how strong you want it to stay. And then as you can see, we have a nice vintage 1920s wave to the hair.
Thank you so much for joining us, and I know that those techniques that we had shared will have supported you. If you have any further questions, we are always having these doors wide open to you, and we love every single person that shows up. We'd be glad to show you more on what can support you in the product line as well as on your personal hair beauty journey.